Good morning, Achievers. Hey, it's Monday morning, March 30th. I'm going to give a couple minutes here for some people to jump online. Hope everybody had a great weekend. I'm looking forward to another great week of home learning. Our virtue this week is going to be flexibility. We'll talk about that in just a minute. Good morning, Ralstons. I see a few people hopping on there. Hi, Crystal. Hi, Aiden. Hi, Ava. Hi, Dana. Well, let's go ahead and get started, and then we'll talk some about flexibility this week. Hi, Brooks family. Hi, Smiths. Good morning. I missed you guys this weekend. I love seeing everybody, even though it's sort of just virtually. Hi, Mrs. Matz. Hi, Mrs. Freitas. Hi, Jack. All right, let's jump into this. Hi, Kearneys. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hi, Curtis family. Hi, Sharf family. Hey, we're going to talk about flexibility this week. So one of my favorite virtues that we talk about at Achieve is flexibility. This is one that usually comes up a couple times throughout the school year, and in fact, this is our second time talking about it. The first time was way back in September, so it's been quite a while since we've talked about flexibility. But we're going to talk about flexibility this week, how it can help you to achieve, how it can help you to learn more, and also how it can help you to deal with things in your life that you're not expecting and that are hard to cope with. So let's start with the definition. The definition of flexibility is this. Flexibility is being open to change. You consider others' ideas and feelings, and you don't insist on your own way. That's a really hard one. Flexibility gives you creative new ways to get things done. You get rid of bad habits and you learn new ones. And flexibility helps you to keep changing for the better. Well, it looks like a few more people hopped on here. I want to say hi to the Kev Witches. Hi, who says hi, Hudson. Hi, Presley. Hey, Grammy's on here again. I love it. So that's the definition of flexibility. And I think flexibility is such a cool virtue because it helps us to learn new things. It also helps us to accomplish more in our lives, and it helps us to get along better with others. So sometimes at school we kind of talk about a virtue that either is helping you get along with others or helping your emotions or kind of helping that part of your life that's that we don't think of as being like your brain and the academic part, and then we think of other virtues sort of helping with your academics and your schooling and your brain, and they're like virtues that help you learn. Flexibility is such a cool one because you need flexibility to do both. You need to have flexibility to try new hard things, you need to have flexibility to get along with your friends, and you need to have flexibility to learn new things. So you've got this cool virtue that kind of connects a whole bunch of other ideas and virtues. So this week we're going to talk about how we can use flexibility to help us learn new things. We're going to talk a lot about how our brain works, and we're also going to talk about using flexibility to help us cope with our current situation. And cope means like deal with your situation and make it through, and it also means like survive and do something that you haven't been able to do before. So we're going to talk about how flexibility can help us right now in this time. I want to think a little bit about our leaders in our government right now and the flexibility that they're showing. They're asking us to do something really strange right now, which is just stay at home and try not to spread the virus. So I was thinking about what that must have been like in those first meetings with leaders from our country and other countries around the world and doctors from around the world, and they start noticing people getting really sick and they go, oh my goodness, we need to help everybody. Let's start thinking of a new medicine, right? And then they realized, whoa, people are getting sick too fast. We can't make the medicine that fast. And then they sat down together and they thought, oh my goodness, we cannot solve this problem the way that our medical system normally solves problems like this. We're going to have to think of some way to be flexible and do something differently. And I'm imagining they just sat around in these rooms and they're just trying to all these different ideas, like how can we stop the spread of this virus? Can we limit travel? Can we do this? And eventually they came up with this plan, and it was just stay at home. Like, you cannot spread the virus by just staying where you are don't come in contact with other people, don't cough on anybody, don't touch anybody, and that would stop the spread of this virus. I just want to remind you, like, what flexible thinking that takes. I know it's super inconvenient right now. I know it's really uncomfortable. Some days it gets kind of boring. Some days I just start missing my friends and I want to go hang out with everybody and just give all of you guys a big hug. But I want to recognize that flexible thinking that went into place just to ask us to do this, because this was not a normal ask. This was a really strange thing to ask everybody, and it showed a lot of flexibility to just come up with that idea. So this week I'm going to encourage you, be flexible yourself, stay at home, try not to spread the virus, be safe this week, learn a lot, be flexible. Hey, Connor Finnegan, how are you? I was just about to sign off and Connor jumped on here, so I got to say hi to him for a second. Hey Connor, check out those guitars behind me. I've been watching some of your music on Facebook. Your band sounds amazing. What an inspiration. I wish I could see you guys play sometime. If you ever end up here in Northern California, please let me know so I can come watch you guys. Hey, have a great week, Achieve. Be flexible and be safe. Love you guys.